Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today we are going to be planting some fall bulbs so that these will come up into the spring. So today I'm going to be planting tulips, and I don't normally like tulips, but I seen these online on a Facebook group a few years ago, and I said if I ever came across them that I would grab some. They are ice cream tulips. So if you can see here, it's like the flower, and then inside it looks like a bowl of ice cream. So I just thought these were so pretty, and I actually seen them at Walmart. So 15 bulbs for 10 bucks. I picked them up and we are gonna plant these ones. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come into the soil and just move around my mulch here until I am at the bare soil. And now we are gonna make holes for each bulb. So they recommend going about 4 inches deep and then about 4 to 6 inches between each bulb. So my spade here actually has inches on the side. So I'm gonna go down to about 4 inches, get that into the ground. So that now that I've got my hole about 4 inches deep, we're gonna go on with our bulb. And we're going to make sure the pointy end of the bulb is facing upwards, because that's where the shoots are going to come out. And so we are just going to plant him in there and cover him back up. Now once we've covered him back up, I am going to put a little bit of this organic blood meal, and we're going to sprinkle them on top once I get all the bulbs in. And the reason we're going to do that is so that we don't have rodents, pests, squirrels, things like that come and dig the bulbs up, because they do like to feast on planting bulbs. So we wanted to try and deter that as much as possible. The other thing I'm going to do once I'm planted and I've got all my bulbs in is I'm using just a garden stick, and I'm going to stake out where I have planted all of my bulbs. And the reason that I'm going to do this is so when I come into the garden in the spring, I know where they are, so I don't dig them up and accidentally put another plant, because I'll probably come out here and put some more perennials or even my annual plants, and I don't want to accidentally dig up a bulb while I'm digging in my plants. So this will let me know where I am. So I'm going to go ahead and plant some more of my bulbs, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So here we are, we've got all of our bulbs in the ground here. I'm going to, like I said, cover them all up. Make sure that you've got a nice layer of dirt on there, because you don't want those squirrels in there. And they're all covered up. And then I'm coming in here with my blood meal, and I'm putting a nice layer of that on the soil to deter those rodents and those pesky little squirrels. And then I'm taking them and I'm marking it off to let me know that in this area I've got those bulbs. So that's it for planting bulbs. There's not much else to know. You could add some fertilizer on here if you wanted to. I'm going to wait until the spring and put fertilizer. There's no point in putting it down and wasting it right now. But that's it for bulb planting. I'm going to continue on around this tree and around the other tree. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more great videos. Bye!